Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are fit and fine. So I want to share a very beautiful and amazing videos. Keep watching and stay connected with my channel. And this video is all about the scattered dresses designs ideas. Crochet frocks, it's mean scattered dresses. I have shared with totally designs, totally videos. If you like more fantastic ideas, fantastic videos and amazing totally videos I have shared with you. This is amazing ideas. You look so pretty designs, pretty ideas. Keep watching, stay connected with my channel. May Allah keep loving, keep smiling, keep sharing in the same way. Amin. It's design, it's your choice. And amazing ideas, amazing perfect videos, perfect ideas. I have shared with totally designs, totally videos of scattered dresses. Scattered dresses is like for short frocks and amazing videos, amazing ideas. You look very pretty ideas of scattered dresses. Scattered dresses are available in this channel and different parts of things like amazing ideas. I have shared with totally designs, totally videos. This is amazing videos. You look so pretty and its designs are totally with you. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant, more fantastic and more amazing ideas. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more elegant and more fantastic ideas. Keep amazing videos I have shared with totally ideas